Hi guys and welcome to our channel. So today is the 15th of September, so we're gonna have the forecast from the 16th to the 20th of September. So as usual we start with the dollar index. So the dollar index did come a little bit, so what we expect is maybe going up a little bit again, then coming down. So the long term is going down. You can see also in the MACD you have this one right here and that one. Okay, so I was surprised actually going down, and you can see this is coming down also. Okay, and we have the Fed's possibly rate cut in September 19th. So this last time we have seen that the rate cut actually take the dollar up, so we're gonna see what's gonna happen this time. Possibly we'll take it down. It depends on how many voters are gonna vote with or against how many rate cuts. So it's not very clear, but as anyway we're looking to sell the dollar. We're not looking to buy it. Okay, so the euro index did come down a lot last week. We were in the sell. It was really good. Then it did bounce back, as many governors in the European Union didn't agree with Mr. Draghi's monetary policy. So there was a little bit of conflict. So that's why the euro did bounce back. So what we expect, it does bounce back up a little bit to the trend line, or we may get a little bit green candle like that, then crash again. Okay, so we're going to sell a higher price of the euro against Australian, against New Zealand, against the pound, stuff like that. So for the pound, I've told you guys the pound is just gonna keep flying up straight like that, because the no deal fear has gone big time. So there is no fear of the pound actually of the UK getting out of the European Union without a deal so far. So the pound is undervalued by 10%. So this 10% needs to get back very quick. So you can expect, actually, maybe, I'm not saying that's what's going to happen. It's very rare to happen. But you may get 10 days just like that in a row, like one candle, two candle, three candle, like that. So pound, I have told the guys in the VIP channel, we have to keep your buy from here. We actually buy from this area exactly. And we are keeping, I told them, we're going to go 1,000 bips up, okay? So the franc did come, guys, as I told you last week. So it's coming down nicely. What we expect, maybe a little bit up, then continue going down. Watch out, the central bank of Switzerland has like a monetary policy meeting and stuff. So this week, so this may have a little bit of effect. But anyway, in the longer term, in the daily time frame, we're looking for the franc index to come down. Japanese yen did go up as expected. Watch out, because what happened in Saudi Arabia, this is going to affect the market, and the market's going to open in gaps. So maybe all Japanese yen pairs are going to open in a gap down a little bit, but we expect to go up. Then from this area, maybe we'll get a reverse. Okay, watch out, the Japanese yen pairs still have like a little bit more room to go up. CAD is gonna fly with the oil, so all the CAD pairs are gonna be very weak against the CAD. CAD is gonna be very strong this week. Australian, maybe a little bit of correction, then it's gonna go up. The Australian, New Zealand, they may open in a gap down. Same thing for New Zealand here. Okay, so we're looking only to buy New Zealand. USD crude, we expect to open in a gap maybe around 60. So maybe get a gap. The price is 50. Around 53 something now, 54. Then you may get a gap of 400 bips. Then the price will fly up to 65 very fast, and they may reach 72. So watch out, the crude oil is heading very fast to 72, most likely. That's what's gonna happen. Okay, oil may open in a gap up. Okay, so, and we'll be looking to buy oil. Okay, so we're looking to buy 1472, but it may open in a gap up already. It may open like here, then it may come a little bit down, then it may fly back up. So anyway, you will be looking to buy the gold. Watch out, if USA trying to get a deal, the gold is gonna crash. So be careful, because now we are between the Fed's rate cut, which most likely is gonna take the gold up, and the USA-China trade deal, which is gonna take the gold down. So watch out, the gold is a little bit tricky and risky now. Watch out. Okay, so trade with a small time frame and stop loss. So just you'll be in the safe side. Okay, so quickly we go the dollar franc. We'll be looking to sell around this area, like the one area 150 or so. Okay, so that's the longer term. We're coming down. Watch out, it still have a little bit of room to go up to this zero level, which is like 50 bips up, then come back down. Pound dollar, I told you guys last week, buy the pound, good investment. This is gonna fly 1,000 bips up. between 1,000 and 3,000 bips up the pound. Euro dollar, so we'll be looking to sell at the beginning of the week, and before September 19th, then we're gonna be buying the euro dollar. So this is gonna start with a sell, and midweek we're gonna buy it. USD JPY, it may go a little bit up, so maybe reach 109 or 1850, then we should get a crash. Watch out here in the longer time frame, maybe a little bit more room to go up a little bit more. Okay, but don't buy it. Don't buy the dollar yen. Just wait to sell the high. USD CAD is gonna open in a gap down, and it's gonna go to 1.9 possibly this week. So we're looking about 400 pips down this week. Australian dollar, this is gonna open possibly in a gap down, and we're gonna be buying this dip, and we're gonna go up to 100 pips. Okay. Euro pound, I've told you guys last week, this is gonna be a beautiful sell. Could be the best sell in the week, and it was really nice. You can see that. So maybe a little bit of correction up, then continue selling. This no buy at all, guys. No buy at all. Euro Australian, we're gonna be only to look to sell 1.6250 area. Okay. So wait 150 pips up, then sell it. Don't buy it. Euro franc, this is the only pair you can actually buy for euro against the franc. That could be okay sell to take. Is not bad. Okay, it's not very volatile or anything, but you can take this buy. Euro Japanese yen, wait to sell 123 with price action or something, or 122.50. Don't buy this one. Pound franc, I've told you guys last week, this is gonna be a beautiful buy. You know, wait a correction and buy it. There is no sell for pound at all. CAD Japanese yen, this is gonna open in a gap, guys. So the price is gonna open exactly like around 80 to 80 or maybe 83, and this could go to 85, 86. Okay. Pound Japanese yen, this is heading up to 142, 145 area. So we are 135. I have been telling you guys the pound is gonna fly, is gonna continue flying like that. There is no correction or anything. So maybe a small correction, then continue buying. So the pound is just a buy, a buy, a buy. Euro CAD, this is gonna open in a gap down, and it's gonna go 300 pips down. So this will be only a sell this week. There is no buy at all for Euro CAD. Okay, don't buy Euro CAD at all. New Zealand Japanese yen, so I'll be looking to come down a little bit, then you can buy this one. New Zealand dollar, this will be a good buy. Okay, so we'll be looking to buy New Zealand dollar. Pound Australian, so wait a correction, then buy this one. Pound CAD, this is actually, don't trade that one, because the pound is going to be very strong and the CAD is going to be very strong. So this is going to be choppy, it's not good. Wait to come down, then after it comes down, and the oil at that time will be coming down, so the Canadians getting weak and the pounds continue to be strong, then we're going to buy a lower price. So don't sell this one, wait to buy the dip. Pound New Zealand, after correction, you can buy that one. You can see beautiful shown in MACD, very clear. Euro New Zealand, wait a little bit up, it could open in a gap up 50 bips or 100 bips, then sell this high at around 1.7440 or 1.7450 area. Okay, so that's all for this week, guys. We do have the US equity market and the DAX, then we'll be looking to small dip, then we're gonna buy this dip going up. Okay, thanks guys. I hope you like the forecast. Please, if you do like it, hit the like button and share and subscribe. Thank you and have a great day.